Welcome to Networking Arizona with host Carol Blonder. You'll hear interviews with businesses located throughout the valley. Networking, it makes a difference.
If I traded it all.
So welcome to the show. Everyone, am I on now? Yes, I am. As all of you know, I made it possible for everybody to talk about themselves on the radio. So if you want to get yourself heard on my show, all you have to do is give us a call at the station at 602-277-5369, and toll free it's 1-866-536-1100. Check me out on my website. It's networkingarizona.net. It's all spelled out, and get yourself heard on my show. I'm going to go in with my first guest, who's been with me now. This is her third time, and now we're going to do it a little longer, so it's going to be really great. I have with me Dr. Linda Ma, and she is the owner of Smile Innovation. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me here today.
You know, let's talk a little bit about you. Obviously, you are a dentist, and you do way more. The last couple of times you were having sort of a like a seminar that you were doing on implants. But now you told me today that you do way more than that. Let's talk about your practice and what you do.
Okay, so we do a lot of fast braces, Invisalign, laser dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, implant dentistry. We even do Botox and Juvederm. So we do fillers in your face.
Really?
Whitening. Yes, we
Really? So now dentistry has come full circle.
Yes.
To make your whole face look fantastic.
Yes.
With the smile and anything else that's going along with it.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. So you also told me really quickly, you said very fast, you said fast braces. What are fast braces?
Fast braces, before, like when I was in high school, braces were about 2 years. Now you can get them down to like 6 months to 12 months.
Wow.
So the speed of your teeth getting straight, the results are so much faster. That's hence fast braces.
That's right. Now, braces are not just for kids like it was when I was a kid. Only kids got them, and if they were lucky, right?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
it's different.
Yes, anyone can get braces actually, and it's pretty significant because it actually will change how you speak, how you look, how you feel. So braces are for everyone.
Now, you are located in Tempe. You do free consultations.
Yes, we do.
And you're going to offer for everyone who's calling in, and you need this if you've had braces on for a while, you're offering for everybody. It's an in-home whitening.
Yes.
That is, what's the value on that? It's a $500 value?
Yes.
And it's free to them.
Yes.
So everyone who's calling in is going to get entered in to win this. That's, if you want to have beautiful teeth, beautiful white teeth, what's the difference between having an in-home, whitening done as opposed to the ones that you buy in the store?
You get a better result, and you get a professional to do it. So we recommend that you do it in the office versus at home because it takes probably like at least a month or two, or maybe even 6 months at home because of the concentration.
Well, our number here is 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. Everyone is going to get entered in to win. This is a $500 value free to you, and it's an in-house it's an in-house or in-home? How do you say it?
At-home whitening.
So it's an at-home teeth whitening, and it's a $500 value free to you. 602-277-5369, and toll free it's 1-866-536-1100. On your website, you have a lot of this information.
Yes, we do.
And it's Smile Innovations with an S.com.
No S.
There's no S on the website, or just on the web. Okay, so on the website there's none. I remember there was one.
Yes.
So it's smileinnovation.com, and their phone number direct, it's 480-418-2469. But we have our lines open here. We want everyone to get this whitening, in-house whitening. It is a $500 value free to you. You're getting entered in to win. 602-277-5369, and toll free it's 1-866-536-1100. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about this. I've never even asked. In 9 years I'm doing this, and I've worked with a lot of people. Laser fillings, what is that all about?
We can actually do fillings without shots, so no more drills.
Thank you.
Yeah, but the filling has to be a certain size. Most people actually come in when they have root canals, so when they have pain, that will not be a laser filling, but we can treat root canals with lasers also. But it makes the procedure more comfortable.
So you can do a lot with lasers. So let's say you're doing a filling.
Yes.
Okay. How long do they take?
They take about 15 minutes.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, so it makes the procedure a lot more comfortable. And a lot of people who are afraid of shots can come and get their teeth worked on without getting a shot.
It's the number one reason why people do not go to the dentist is because, frankly, Doc, we're afraid. We're chicken.
Well, yes, a lot of people are afraid of the dentist, but the experience is way different these days. We actually have like a TV. We have our patient watch Netflix, and the procedures are pretty fast. So it's like in and out. So before you know it, it's done, it's over with, and you can smile again.
Really, today, people should all be going to the dentist. Now, I'll tell you something. Again, another reason why they don't go is because, number one, they're afraid, right?
Mm-hmm.
They want to know whether you have sleep dentistry. Do you have that?
We don't have sleep dentistry, but because it's so fast.
You don't need it.
Yeah, you don't really need it. But if you need it, we can refer you to the right doctor for that.
So let's also talk about this because you skipped over it pretty fast. You also said that you could do laser for root canals. So you can do root canals in your office too?
Yes, we do root canals in our office also.
Which is really nice because you used to have to go to a specialist for everything.
Yes.
So you can do everything in-house.
Yes.
Okay. So, yes.
Yeah, we can.
So that's awesome. Now, everybody's getting entered in to win. That is the in-house teeth whitening. It is their giveaway. That's $500 value, free to you. Again, our number here is 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. You can call in. You can get entered in to win. You can call in with a question. Our number here again is 602-277-5369. The website again, guys, is smileinnovation.com, and that phone number is 480-418-2469. They do free consultations, and you can't be afraid of it anymore. They don't even need to use shots, and most of the time.
Yeah, well, it depends on how difficult the procedure is. So if the procedure...
I'm in. Go ahead.
Yeah, if the procedure is more difficult, then we would recommend the shot. But then, like I said, if the procedures are simple, no shot.
Here's another one. This is great. What about gum disease therapy? What is it?
That's also with the laser. So traditional, before when you had gum disease, they actually had to flap open the gum, and then it is actually very, very painful.
You don't want your gums flapping open.
So now when you use a laser, you skip that step, and you'll heal because it sterilizes everything, and it makes healing faster.
So a question about that. They used to have to do what's called a deep cleaning,
Yes.
which is majorly expensive,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
It's generally not covered, right? So what happens with this procedure? You don't need to do that. They don't they have to
Actually,
give you...
it's the same procedure.
It's the same procedure?
The deep cleaning is the same procedure with the addition of the lasers to sterilize your gums.
Okay.
So it kills the bacteria. So the gum disease therapy is because of bacteria, and most people cannot get rid of that bacteria by themselves. So the laser.
Okay,
will
what I
kill
have a
it.
question to ask you. With the gum disease therapy, if you're using a laser, do you also have to give them shots or no?
It just depends on the person. Everybody's pain tolerance is different. We
Right.
actually have a numbing gel. For 3 minutes, we'll numb you with the gel. So it is still anesthetic, not through a shot, but it is still a numbing agent.
Well, there's a lot of people out there that have not gone to the dentist in a long time, and I'm telling you now, your gums are suffering, right?
Yes, they are. And not only your gums, but your overall health, because that bacteria actually travels down to your bloodstream. And it's actually linked to like heart disease, diabetes, all of those other illnesses, because the bacteria stems from your mouth. And you have so much of it that it travels into your bloodstream that people don't recognize that the oral health is a number one factor for a lot of diseases also.
Well, what's really nice is you've come on because you really want to educate your clients. You know, at the time it was for the implants, but right now you have been saying that you really want to get the word out about what it really is because dentistry has changed so much.
Yeah, there are so many opportunities for people to change how they look and how they feel, and you don't have to be unhealthy. I mean, if you want a really overall healthy body, you actually have to have a healthy mouth. So without eating, without smiling, without feeling good, and sometimes the bacteria is actually causing you to become more sick.
It can change your life. It can change you and help and make you a better person just by feeling better about your smile. I know it was a wonderful thing. Now, we're going to go to a break. When we come back, we are going to talk a little bit further about some of the different procedures that you can do. We've got everyone entering in to win that in-house. It's a teeth whitening. It's a $500 value free to you. Call us here, 602-277-5369. Would you like to come on my radio show and talk about what you do? I'm Carol Blonder, the host of Networking Arizona. I created a show where you can get yourself heard by thousands of listeners. You also get a podcast of the show so you can put it on your website. Heard Tuesdays and Fridays from 3 to 5 p.m. It's a drive time, prime time show. Call me and book your spot at 602-228-4629. Get the word out about what you do. Visit my website, networkingarizona.net.
One of the most thoughtful things that you can do for your family is planning for your funeral or cremation. It leaves your loved ones with guidance and support when they need it the most. Pre-planning ensures that all details are in order so that there are more answers than questions. Call 480-832-2850 for a free personal planning guide or take a tour of our beautiful cemetery and newly remodeled funeral home. Call 480-832-2850, Mountain View Funeral Home and Cemetery.com.
Do you have IRS tax problems? Are they keeping you up at night? If your tax problems are affecting your family life, you need to know you have options. Call Ted Watkins, enrolled agent before IRS, the tax expert who will handle your case. We negotiate settlements with the IRS, the Arizona Department of Revenue, as well as prepare past due tax returns. Call us at 602-363-1952 or 602-418-7308.
Are you missing teeth and want to smile again? Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Ma.
And I'm Dr. Boyd Patimus. We would love to invite you to our dental implant seminar at our office in Tempe, April 30th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Come to the seminar to receive your complimentary consultation with 3D x-rays. That's a $600 value free to you.
Space is limited. For more information, visit our website at smileinnovation.com or call 480-418-2469. 480-418-2469. Smileinnovation.com, 480-418-2469.
I'm Luke Johnson, president of Legend Capital Group. We offer a unique array of alternative investment strategies that can provide excellent monthly returns outside of the traditional stock markets. Headquartered in Scottsdale, we have offices nationwide. My team of leading investment advisors provide best-in-class, personalized service, and world-class investment strategies. Call today for a complimentary financial review, 480-685-2930, or visit legendcapitalgroup.com.
Newsflash, never be fat or smoke again. Break any habit or addiction in as few as 3 to 7 days. No withdrawal. Yes, you heard me right. No matter if you're 40 pounds or 140 pounds overweight, smoke 1 pack or 4 packs a day. You will be free. Call our information line at 623-266-1392 for free consultation. Your habit or addictive behaviors now can be a thing of the past. Call Hypnotic One at 623-266-1392. Now, you take control of your life instead of being controlled by life. Call now, Hypnotic One at 623-266-1392.
If I traded it all.
So welcome back. And we're talking with Dr. Linda Ma. She is the owner of Smile Innovations, and they're located in Tempe. They're here to kind of educate everybody on what's amazingly going on with the dentist world out there. And you don't have to be afraid anymore, and everybody really should call in. They do free consultations with everybody. Also, they also are offering for everyone who calls in to get entered in to win their in-house teeth whitening. It's a $500 value free to you. And everybody wants to have white teeth. So give us a call here, 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. Okay. Doc, when we were on break and we started talking about some of the different things that you can do. And the next thing, guys, you got to listen to this. It's pretty amazing. I've never even heard of it before. You said that you can help people with their tongue tie. What is that?
Okay, so some people, they have these lists where they can't talk as well. It's because their tongue is attached to the bottom of their mouth. So it occurs.
I thought it was supposed to be, Doc. Okay.
Well, only a certain length. But it does affect, like, for nursing for babies. So if a baby is tongue-tied, they cannot attach to the mother. So then sometimes the mom thinks, what's wrong with her? And why is my baby, like, not responding? And
right.
That's because they're tongue-tied.
Wow.
And we can release it with a laser versus a scalpel. So in the hospitals, they might cut it with a knife, and it bleeds to death. And when we do it with the laser, there's no bleeding. So that's what's amazing about the laser. There's no bleeding.
You know, right, that you're talking about, and my daughter's much older now, but she probably has it, and I don't even know it, because once you have a tongue tie, do you always have one?
Yeah,
wow.
Until it gets released.
So people who are don't talk really well, they have they might have it's not a lisp, it can cause a lisp,
Yeah,
but
it can cause a lisp, and it actually will affect how your face will grow. So when you're younger, your chin will be more retruded than whatever your facial structures are. So it holds down the muscle, so the growth will be different.
So when somebody they're sitting there and listening in their car right now, going, you know what, I might have that. That's something I think I have. How do they find out? How do you test that?
Well, you can actually just probably stick out your tongue, and if it doesn't go all the way down to your chin, then you're probably tongue-tied.
So that means almost everybody.
No,
How does
not
You're
everybody.
kidding me. I mean, I can't do that. I'm not kidding. Everybody try it right now as they're driving. Yeah. Everyone's out there. There's thousands of people out there that are sticking their tongues out, seeing if it...
So you know how if you stick your tongue and it only goes like half, not even like anywhere, then you're tongue-tied.
Wow, that's amazing. Now, so you can do that with the laser.
Yes.
So it requires no knife procedure.
Yes.
Right? And so they do these free consultations, and you can call them direct if you want. Their number is 480-418-2469, and they'll do a free consultation with you. You can check them out on their website. Again, it's smileinnovation.com. And you can call in here, get yourself entered in to win. That's their in-house teeth whitening. It's a $500 value, free to you. 602-277-5369, and toll-free, it's 1-866-536-1100. Okay. Another thing that you do is you do all on fours. What is that?
That's a procedure for people who are missing all their teeth. So it's 4 implants on the top and 4 implants on the bottom. And it'll make you look exactly the way you were probably 20 years ago, because now you have a full set of teeth.
Now, do they have, when you say 20 years ago, but you can create their teeth?
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
They sort of change up. If you didn't like what you had 20 years ago, you could change that up a bit.
Yes. Yeah, because when you have teeth, you have a more youthful appearance. When you get older, when you're missing bone, you have a retruded look and your face sinks in. So when you have dentures, your face is a lot skinnier than when a young person with a fuller face. So all on 4 will help you have a fuller face, and you can speak, you can have confidence again.
How long does it take to do an all-on-4?
The procedure, to place the implants are pretty fast, maybe like less than an hour. And then the denture probably is maybe another hour or so, depending on how difficult your case is.
It's so much faster than it's so much easier than it used to be. Also, I didn't ask you that. And with the tongue tie, if somebody needed to have that done, how long does that take?
Like 3 minutes.
3 minutes, and it's done. Is there pain involved with that?
There's no pain involved. It's the same topical gel. It's an anesthetic. We put in for 3 minutes, and after that, we release it with the laser versus a scalpel.
Let's talk about veneers. You also do veneers. What are the difference between all of these?
The veneers is just to change your overall look. Sometimes people have bigger teeth, smaller teeth, and you want the sizes to be the same, the colors to be the same. A lot of times people have different colors in their teeth. So even though you do a whitening, there's one tooth that's always that dark color. So if you want to change up how you appear, then veneers is a good option for you.
So they're located in Tempe. Their phone number, direct, it's 480-418-2469. You can check them out on their website. It's smileinnovation.com. And they're offering for everyone, and I'm going to let you call throughout the rest of the show for it, to everyone to get entered in to win that teeth whitening. It's an in-home teeth whitening, and it's a $500 value, free to you. 602-277-5369, and toll-free, it's 1-866-536-1100. Well, we got to talk about implants because, you know, you were doing that seminar on it. Tell us a little bit about those.
Implants is a good way to have full teeth again, just like the all-on-4s. But most people are missing only 1 or 2 teeth, not all of their teeth. So when you're missing 1 teeth, the same thing happens like through time. So when you're missing 1 teeth, that means the other side, you'll eventually start losing other teeth because it has to compensate for missing teeth. So anytime you have a missing tooth, the other tooth gets to compensate for that missing tooth. Mm-hmm. So placing an implant will help restore you back to where you were normally. But you can live without a tooth. The consequences are, you know, you get older, you can't eat as well, you don't feel as good about yourself, and then you end up losing more teeth. And then you say, oh, it's so expensive. But if you took care of it in the beginning, it wouldn't be as expensive because now you're treating like multiple teeth versus 1.
Right. Now, a lot of people are getting, you know, dental insurance through different ways. And some people even have in-home, you know, in-house type of thing. Do you have that with any patients like that, or how does it work?
We do have
cash patients.
We have a lot.
Help us, doc.
We have a lot of finance options. A lot of people, they use insurance to help them, But insurances mostly deny most of people's work, and you have a high deductible, and it doesn't really pay out. And they only give you probably a limit of $1,000, which is not very much for dental work.
Right. So but you can help people. You have something in house.
Yeah.
Each person has a different scenario.
Yeah,
so
we
you
take
can
all
work
major
them.
credit cards. We have financing programs like Care Credit and Compassionate Finance. So we'll find a way.
That's right. And you know what? It's all about feeling better about yourself. If you've put it off, if you're missing teeth, you don't want to go with a spot that's missing for a long time because the other teeth will compensate and you'll lose those too.
Yes.
So you don't want to do that. Let's also talk, since we have a few minutes, about the Botox and all of that you do.
Yeah, we do Botox and for your lips. You know how we have like frown lines? So we'll fill out with the Juvederm. And for the Botox, just a little bit of areas to keep your face kind of lifted.
Right. Well, if you're going to have your teeth done, you might as well have that done too, right?
Yes.
Really, it doesn't make sense not to.
Yes.
Because you could have this beautiful smile with all of these wrinkles around it, and it just doesn't make sense.
Or your lip will sag. So if your lip sags, then you can't see your beautiful smile.
That's another thing. That's crazy. So it makes sense to have brought that into the practice.
Yeah.
Absolutely. You must have been thrilled when that came around.
Yeah. Because you know how sometimes when people smile, their lip line is not the right area. So even though you have nice teeth, your lip is like the muscle is depressed. So you have to lock that muscle in there so that
right. Now,
you can have your smile.
Talking about those, that it's nice to have a doctor who obviously, if you're really, and I'm going to ask you what the difference is because it must be, and I'm just asking this off the cuff right now. For a doctor, when you go into someone that's just a regular doctor that does that, it must be even better to go to a dentist who's been working on your smile with you to create the smile that you want, so to have the rest around it perfected.
Well, it's about experience and your goals. So every doctor has a different goal, and our goal is to make you look good and feel good. And half of the doctors, a lot of dentists, they don't have the training in it. So that's why they don't offer as many procedures as us. But we train a lot, and we look for the most advanced technologies and the best procedures to make our patients comfortable and to make everything fun. Because when you can do a filling in 15 minutes versus like an hour or 2 hours, I mean, it makes a big difference for the doctor and for the patient.
Yes, because you won't have people biting you, right?
Yes.
Because I've done that when I was a kid. I was deathly afraid of those big giant shots that they had. They changed that up, but now you're able to do things with laser. There's so many things that they can do for you. They are located in Tempe. You can call them. They'll do a free consultation with you. Their phone number is 480-418-2469. The website again is smileinnovation.com. And real quickly, for those people, now that you're out of school, you can go, the young ones, anyone, it's a great time to get yourself all together for, during the summer, because braces only take like 6 months now, practically. So for both adult and children, tell them a little bit about that.
So when you come in, the process is pretty fast, maybe like less than an hour. And then in 6 months, you're going to have your dream smile.
And do you do Invisalign as well?
Yes, we do Invisalign as well.
So they even do Invisalign. They do it all. Their number again, it's 480-418-2469. It's smileinnovation.com. They do free consultations. And we're going to let you call the rest of the show to get entered in to win this in-home teeth whitening. It's a $500 value, free to you. Our number here is 602-277-5369.
Laura Ingram mornings, Herman Cain middays, Michael Savage afternoons, Lars Larson nights on Independent Talk, 1100 KFNX.
It's primary day in West Virginia, where voters from both parties go to the polls, and in Nebraska for Republicans only. CNN political director David Chalian says GOP voters were asked if there's a rift in their party.
Do you think the Republican Party is united?